And breaking news, Times Now has been able to access the diary note of the Delhi police regarding the Swati Maliwal call, and it details about what the complaint was, the nature of the assault and much more. That is what you see on the extreme left of your screens. I want to get in Priyank quickly with us. He's been able to access this important piece of investigation. Priyank, you know what I can caller बोल रहा है कि उनका ये नाम है और उनके साथ ऐसा हुआ. Why don't you describe to us what has happened so far? What is it that the note says and what does this mean?
See, Deepthi, first of all, let me tell you to our viewers that it is a confirmation of the Times Now news break with the information which we broke exclusively for our viewers at the 11 a.m. bulletin. That the confirmation which came from the Delhi police sources was regarding two PCI calls. There were few information which was circulating. We did not go through that. And on the basis of the top senior officials' information, we were the first one which broke this information that Swati Maliwal had made two PCI call while she was there at the 6th Flagship Road, which is the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister. What our viewers have been watching on the TV screen is the DD entry, the diary entry of the Delhi police information, and that is regarding the two PCI call which was made. If you can allow me, I can just go through the line where the first call which was made was regarding caller बोल रहा है कि मैं अभी सीएम के घर पे हूँ, उन्होंने अपने पीए विभव कुमार के साथ मेरे साथ बुरी तरीके से मारपीट की है और इसके साथ ही that also include the recent number which Swati Maliwal has been using, which has the number in the end it is 5559. Later to that the second information was also received to the Delhi police. As for the information received after collection, the lady caller बोल रही है कि मैं अभी सीएम के घर पे हूँ, उन्होंने और अपने पीए के साथ मुझे बुरी तरीके से पिटाई की है, मोबाइल नंबर भी मेंशन है, address is CM house. So at these two the location, if Yogesh, my video journalist, could show, address is CM house, civil lines. In the second line also, caller also, the address is CM House, Civil Lines. So that clearly gives a clear impression that our information was right. Yes, why Aam Aadmi Party has been trying to hide this information? What is going in the mind of Swati Maliwal, who fought for the right of thousands of women who took this pledge that she will fight for the right of women, has certainly gone silent. So the political implication of this particular call is very important at this stage. We know it for the fact that she is member of parliament from the Rajya Sabha, from the quota of Aam Aadmi Party. So if she goes ahead and filing the complaint, we know what happened with Prashant Bhushan, we know what happened with Kiran Bedi, we know what happened with Kapil Mishra, we know what happened with Anna Hazare. The party which came into existence claiming themselves to be anti-corruption crusaders who is indulging in this kind of alleged cases of corruption takes no time to throw away those people who have stood against Arvind Kejriwal. And Swati Maliwal knows this fact very well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.